This is how you can upload custom short thumbnail on YouTube. YouTube doesn't let you upload custom thumbnail. What it does, let you choose from the frame of your video. So what you have to do is just add a second or 0.5 second clip inside your original video like I'm doing right now, so that you can choose later from your videos there as a thumbnail, because you can upload custom thumbnail. What I do now is I download it. Now upload the video as a short. Add details of your videos. After you fill out all the details and do the SEO, and you can choose the custom thumbnail by clicking the pencil icon. If it now I choose my custom thumbnail from the frame, and all I have to do now is upload short.